Hi everyone, this is Don. I'm at the Camp Pendleton Brig in California, where I just met with a client whose family members hired me to handle his appeal. And it made me want to do a video for everyone just to remind you of the importance of the appeal process after a court-martial conviction. A lot of people don't understand it, and it is a real chance for some kind of remedy for you or your loved one. It can include anything from minor things like charges dropped, all the way up to your sentence being reduced, even having the court-martial conviction overturned. And then finally, and best for the client, is the appellate court can find the client not guilty and completely eliminate the conviction such that the client can never be tried again. The civilian appellate courts can't do that, but military appellate courts can. And having sat on the appellate court as a senior judge for several years, I can tell you that it happens. It just needs to be done in the correct way. So it's very important to hire an attorney on appeal, even if a lot of people don't have a good shot, I admit that, but some people do. But I see time and time again, like with this client, he had no idea the chance he had on appeal, and he's got a pretty good chance. But you'll never know that unless you hire or get an experienced lawyer to represent you or your loved one on appeal. The second thing to think about is when you're looking for a lawyer at a court-martial, at the trial level, try to find a lawyer that's got experience with appellate issues. Because if your trial lawyer doesn't do certain things and do them right, then they're lost on appeal. We call it preserving the issues. If your trial lawyer doesn't preserve issues for appeal, then the appellate lawyer can't do anything with those issues, and they're essentially lost to the client. So appellate experience is very important, both at the trial level when you're going to a court-martial and at the appellate level when it's actually time to do that appeal. So the moral of this video is don't forget about the appeal process. In the military system, there's real chance of some kind of good coming from a well-organized, thoroughly briefed appeal that's submitted by an experienced attorney. So don't give that up, and call around and find an experienced lawyer that's experienced in appeals to handle your appeal. Thanks.